Good morning, traders. Today is November the 12th, and here's your top news to get the day started. First of all, we're looking at the Euro JPY pair, which is essentially flat. We had news come out for the Japan GDP, and it was worse than expected. It shrunk from July to September, 0.09% in the negative. It was the first contraction in 3 quarters, suggesting faltering global demand and weak consumer spending. And that data indicated that this could push the world's third largest economy into a mild recession. We also had another negative report coming from Japan domestic CGPI. It fell 0.3% in October. This index measures the prices of domestic and corporate goods. Looking at the chart of this data, here's where we bottomed out during the recession of 2008. Look at the level. From a technical point, if you've been watching the data, you would see that this could lead to a further decline. So the next report, we're going to continue watching this. It comes out on December the 11th. Remember, the 11th day of every month we have to watch for this report. Now, year over year, we are edging up, but the short term is what worries me. Over the evening hours, we've had meetings taking place in Europe, deciding what's the next step for Greece, and we're waiting on an announcement either today or tomorrow. The U.S. economic calendar is pretty light today, so there's really nothing to look for there. Today, the home builders are in view. We have Beazer Homes reporting before the bell. They came in at a loss of $2.57, well below the consensus. Year-over-year revenue was up 10%. But the actual number was pretty bad. DR Horton comes in 30 cents, beats expectations, and take a look at this. Year-over-year revenue, 20% increase. So that's a plus. After the close, we have Jacobs, JEC, Hologic, HOLX, and that's all the big ones that you need to focus on. Quick check on the markets. Dow Jones up 28 points, Nasdaq 12.5 points, ES 3.75, and the Russell's marginally higher. Gold still continuing to trend up 6 points pre-market. Crude oil, after trading up earlier in the session, we're now down 43 cents. Silver up 5 cents. US dollar index continues to slip down. That's because you have some upside pressure on the euro, which is up almost 0.2%. And that's all the news today. Good luck trading.